Okay, quick fire with Ananya Pandey.
Okay. Mom, it's quick. I can't count. Sorry.
Brace yourself. Commercial success or critical acclaim?
Both.
Not fair.
No, I have to.
Choose.
Okay, right now, because maybe people like me in Koga, I feel like the next one I want a commercial success.
Good girl.
To balance it out.
A film you refused which you wish you hadn't?
I don't regret anything. No regrets.
What did you do with your first paycheck?
I paid for some dance class of mine or something. Like it went into like fees of some sort, or like
That's
an
very
electricity bill or
sweet.
something.
Really?
Yeah.
But that's why you own your own house.
Practical.
Good girl.
Yeah, I'm a practical girl.
The first thing your dad, Chunky Pandey, said when you told him you wanted to move out?
You're joking. He was pretty chill, but my mom was super dramatic. She's like, you're breaking the family up. And I was like, I'm literally going upstairs.
So you have to do a Bhavna imitation.
She was crying. She was like, you're breaking the family up. I was like, Mom, I'm upstairs.
True or false?
False.
I've never called the Paps.
True, I have called the Paps.
I hate dressing up.
False. I like dressing. Yeah, false.
I have
Someone's on a phone call. What are you talking about?
Want to join the conversation?
Tell us also.
I have never asked the guy out.
1 second. Oh, could have. Sounds like me. Must have done it maybe once.
Okay. Sorry, Nana Nani. I've never sexted someone I wasn't dating.
I'm very shy. As actors, we can't do all this. No, I'm not lying. No.
Don't believe her. I have never given a director my suggestions or thoughts on the male lead.
We can't do that as women, sorry.
That's not true.
I don't get into all of this stuff. No, I haven't done that.
Okay. Rank in order of preference a director you are dying to work with.
Oh, this is too much. You just want me to be jobless, I'm feeling, after this interview.
What else do you want? You have
Movies,
to say,
I want movies.
You have to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay?
This is too
Sanjay Leela Bansali.
Yes.
Vidu
one.
Vinod Chopra.
Oh my god, I love 12th Fail.
Karan Johar.
I'm
Zoya Akhtar.
No, I can't do it.
Sriram Raghavan. There's a hamper in your room, huh?
I don't want it. I don't want any hampers. No, listen, I will not have a career left. It's not fair. No.
There are like 200 directors and I'm asking you to pick your top 5. How about that? That's a very easy question.
But they're all like, I want to work with all of them. And firstly, I'm like a chuha and a cockroach in the scheme of things. Like, how dare I say anything about them? They're legends. No.
If Karan Johar was asking you this pat, you would have answered.
He would have been proud that I'm not answering this question. He's going to clap for me when I go home.
You're sure you want the next question?
No. Dhawan, I want to go
You're sure you
home.
want to pass this? You'll have
I'm
to
allowed one pass. Okay, pass this.
One pass.
Pass.
Kill, marry, hook up. Ishan Khattar, Karthik Aryan,
This audience member is very excited. You have to answer this question. With all your oohs and ahs that are coming.
Aditya Roy Kapoor. Kill, marry, hook up.
But why
Ishan,
kill-
Karthik, Aditya.
Can I see a film with all of them? Please.
You're very boring.
No, this is good. Why should I give you a free headline firstly? Anyway, whatever I say gets twisted. You write whatever you feel. You write whatever you feel. You go for it.
You don't want to make headlines?
बहुत हो गया, बहुत headlines बनाए हैं और नहीं करना.
I'm taking
मुझे
the
बस
hammer.
पैसे बनाने हैं. I'm done. Chunky's daughter, yes.
Your beauty routine. She's had 2
This is
passes.
a good question. My beauty routine, I can tell you all about. I drink lots of water, put sunscreen, moisturizer, niacinamide.
I should have given her some tequila before coming on stage.
I don't
My
drink.
pouring partner.
Sandeepa laughed the loudest.
My pouring partner says Ananya loves 1800 tequila. That's what we're serving. You're so famous.
Tauba. No, my beauty routine I can talk about all day, but no one wants to hear about it.
No one wants to hear that. Your favorite item of clothing in your wardrobe?
Sweet. Like my British Airways night suit that I stole. Yeah, I love it. It's like torn and tattered, but I love it.
Why did you steal it?
Because it's very soft now that they give you. It's very comfortable.
The last thing you bought yourself?
I bought myself a handbag when I was in Milan. It was meant to be for my mother, but I liked it so much that I kept it for myself.
Tell us more about this handbag.
Am I with some brand that I can't talk? It's a good one. It's red color, but I can't name the brand.
The last thing you bought for someone else.
Did I buy anything? Huh? I bought Raisa a scarf because she really wanted it, and I couldn't. I cancelled something with her, and I just tried to make
A
up
scarf.
for it. A scarf.
And
It was
that's how
very
you could afford a house,
expensive,
really.
A scarf. It was an expensive. Raisa's very expensive. Yeah.
If you were to break up with someone, how would you do it? Text, phone call, or just ghost them?
No. I think in-person conversation, I would do that. I don't like this texting, ghosting, and these like Gen Z things that are happening. It's not good. I don't behave like one for sure. No, you have to talk. You have to man up, woman up, and talk to people in person, however hard that's going to be. Yes.
When you do choose to get married, and I hope you take your own sweet time for that, would you like to marry an actor, a cricketer, a politician?
None of the above. No.
How long do you take to dress up to go to the gym?
2 minutes.
For a party?
20 minutes.
For a shoot or an event?
45 minutes.
For a wedding?
For a wedding, an hour. Yeah. My own wedding is going to have to be 10 minutes. I'm going to be bridezilla.
I think you're going to show up in kids.
For sure.
Yeah.
For sure.
Do you have a Stan account?
I do have a fake account, yes.
Are you serious?
Yes, I didn't have it before. I just got it.
Who are you stalking?
I can't tell you what's the fun.
Okay, tell
But
me.
I share it with one of my best friends, and then every day, like, I go on the search thing, and I'm like, oh, so this is who we're stalking today. It's a lot of fun.
Okay, tell me something funny you saw about someone on your Stan account.
Funny? I'm not saying funny things. Like, I don't. No, I see. I was chori chupke seeing Diet Sabya, but then I followed him on her from my real account. Then I couraged up and I did that.
Whose social media game, which actor's social media game do you love or hate?
I love Zeenat Aman's social media game. She's killing it. I really think Varun is really funny on Instagram. Like that, yesterday he put up a story where he was talking to his dog in some funny language. And I was like, Varun, what are you saying? He's like, no, my dog understands me. I'm like, okay, because none of us do. Like, Joey gets you maybe. So I think Varun is really funny on Instagram. He just puts anything. Yeah.
Tell us something you did at the Ambani pre-wedding that you don't want anyone to know.
Why would I tell you?
Come on.
Which one? What did I do? Like, I am so scared. I did Chaya with Rihanna. Yes,
Really?
yes,
Fun.
yes.
Where do you get your news from? TV, newspapers, news magazine, Instagram?
My mom's friend group. The fabulous lives of the Bollywood wives.
Miss Ananya Pandey,
Yes.
all of 25. How are you going to leave the world a better place? Quick fire.
Oh, by being kind and by, making people smile and laugh. At least trying to.
We had fun, but she's not getting her hampers. I'm taking them back.
What about my beauty routine? It was so interesting.
Very nice. No fillers, only sunscreen.
Yes.